Hey, oh my god, Cindy, why aren't you wearing clothes, Cindy?
Well, of course I'm not wearing clothes. It is Do Not Wear Clothes Day on Facebook. Do you ever go on Facebook anymore, Diane?
Well, yes, but I didn't know that T-hat fucking old wrinkly piece of shit is staring at you.
What?
The old man in the corner of the room.
Oh.
Did you watch Oprah today?
No. Why?
She was being a bitch today about Tina Turner. Why don't those two old hags work it out off television? They have got enough shit to solve.
Yeah, I know, and Oprah had another fight with Ellen. Damn, when is our food going to get here?
Yay, I am so fuging hungry. Where is that fucking waitress with my KFC?
I do not know, but I am very pissed off.
Can this waitress hurry the fuck up? I just might get stomach cancer.
Yay, I think I know this girl from Collage. Her name's Gina.
Well, Gina, better get her ass outer with our meal.
At least she will not commit suicide her or here.
I have to go to the bathroom. Excuse me.
Huh?